Avstralska pevka Sherry Lucas in slovenski glasbeni producent Aleš Marjetič sta se spoznala v Ameriki.
Aleš was already there playing guitar and I moved there to sing, so.
Yeah, and I recorded guitar for her record and that's where we went. And we started playing together. Then we moved to Slovenia. And then after a little while we moved to Australia where we live now. We play music, we work.
Med obiskom v Sloveniji pa rada združita glasbene moči z Rokom Golobom in skupino Katrinas.
We always are happy to work with Rock. We always come up with great stuff and the girls get along together really well. And
Maybe too well.
Yeah, maybe too well. But yeah, the results are always really good.
Ko je Rok spoznal Sherry, je bil nad njo takoj navdušen.
Sem ugotovil najprej, da super poje in ne samo to, da dela tudi super tekste. Všeč mi je tudi, da poudarja dobre stvari v življenju, tako zelo pozitivka je, ne? Se pravi, ni neke zdaj hude drame, kar ne pomeni, da ni, ampak drame je že tako veliko v življenju, pa je ni v muski treba še tam jo frustrirati, ne?
Tokratni obisk pa je tudi obrodil sadove.
We have done 2 songs. The first one is, what's the title of the first one? You're more of a lyric person.
Funky Beat,
Funky Beat,
Yeah.
it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
And the second one is
Be You,
Be
or
You.
Lucky. Just how you feel, baby, all you gotta do is go ahead